Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. In this video, we will see how to import Vue.x templates. Let me give a short introduction of templates. The templates are pre-designed sites that are used to create a live website. The templates come with all necessary pages so you don't have to create them. Now let's see how to import the template. First, install and activate the Vue.x theme and Vue Blocks plugin on your dashboard. Go to Vue Blocks and click on Vue Sites. Now click on the View All Started Sites button. All the demos are here. You will find some demos locked. The premium demos can be unlocked after upgrading the theme to the Pro version. Now pick one template. We are installing the Vue Electro template. If you want to go back or pick another template, then click on back, otherwise click on continue for further. Click on build my website. The website is ready. By clicking on customize, you can customize the site. Every section can be customized here. It can be customized with Vue Blocks, so you can enjoy designing the site with ease to use blocks with advanced features. After customization, don't forget to update the site and then go back. Now click on View Website. The site is ready and every section is working well. So this is how you can import the template of the Vue.x theme. Thanks for watching.